Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to discuss a small topic in mathematics. In the yesterday class, we already discussed about the irrational numbers. Okay. Now look at that. I am just going to recall what is meant by an irrational number. Now look at here. Suppose any number which is not possible to express in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers. These should be integers. And one more condition, q is not equals to 0. If any number is not going to satisfy this condition, then that number we are going to call by a name called irrational number. And I already has given so many numbers regarding your irrational numbers. Examples: root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, and so on. And even the pi, the number pi is also an example for the irrational number. Then after your irrational number, how we are going to show, how we are going to represent an irrational number on a number line? How we are going to represent that irrational number? For example, I will take some solutions for the examples like root 2 and root 3. That is how I am going to represent both root 2 and root 3 on this number line. Okay. Now look at this. This is, you just going to draw some line. Okay, and mark a point that is a starting point, or else you take it as a 0, or we call it as a horizon point. Then you know that if we go positive side, in the right side of that origin point, then that become a positive numbers. I am going to draw like this: half, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then when we come to this side, the left side of that origin point, that becomes a negative 1. Then we call, and you are going to mark like this: minus 1, minus half, minus 2, minus 5, minus 10. Like that we are going to mark the points over this line. Then afterwards, we just take this example, root 2. How I am going to represent this root 2 over this line? Now look at here. I am going to just draw some rectangle. I am going to take this one as an OABC, like that. Now I am going to mark from the point 0, or this is an origin point. I will take this as O. Then afterwards I am going to mark a point on point number 1, that is A. Then I am going to just draw a straight line from this point A of unit length. Okay, then that point become B, O, A, B. Then I am going to join this with the origin point. Then the replica of this, I am going to draw a parallel line, or else then I am going to join this line with this one. So I will take this one as a C, and this become a rectangle OABC. All sides should be of unit length, nothing but to take it as a value of 1. Okay, by using the Pythagoras theorem, I am going to calculate this, the length OB. Okay, you take this one as a unit length 1, OA should be of unit length, and AB of unit length, and BC of unit length, and OC is of a unit length. Then what about this one, OB? And we know that for given this OABC, I am going to consider a triangle OAB. For triangle OAB, what should be the length of the OB? Just by using the Pythagoras theorem, we know that OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. And we know that the OA and AB of unit length. You take it as a 1 square plus 1 square. Then what about the OB? OB becomes under root 1 square plus 1 square. That results to root 2. And this OB become root 2. Then how you are going to represent this OB? Then by taking the length of the OB, by using your compass, I am going to mark a point. And you know that this is an origin point, or take it as a 0, or you call by name O. But from this center, I am going to take the length of the OB. I am just draw an arc passing through this point B, like this. Then I will mark this point as P. This is how we are going to represent and a value of root 2 on this number line. Like that, you can mark root 3, root 5, root 7 and so on. This is how we are going to represent the root 2. That is an irrational number on the number line. Now, the one more number, what I have written here, root 3. How we are going to represent this root 3 on the number line. Just I will show like this. Again, we are going to draw a line, okay, and mark a point. There is a starting point and origin point. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then here -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Like this you already drawn. Then afterwards you already drawn this, the root 2, and what about for the root 3? Then I will, by taking the unit length like this, I will take this as a point O and I will take this as a point A of unit length OA. Then by drawing the unit length or a perpendicular from point A of unit length 1, and I will mark this as a B, and by joining this one, okay, this become our hypotenuse for this triangle OAB. Then by drawing a parallel line, okay, then by joining this point and this becomes C. This is how exactly what you have done for the root 2. Then again this become a root 2 because the OA, AB and OC and CB or BC, this is all sides are of unit length. Then afterwards, what about the value for root 3? How we are going to represent this one, root 3? I'm going to draw a perpendicular from the point B of unit length. Now this become like this of unit length, right? Then I'm going to join this one. This is of again unit length, and I'm going to give a name D, and this point become D. And again, what you have done for the root 2, you have taken the length of the OB with the center O. You are going to draw an arc where it meets the line. Then again you are going to take the length of the OD. Again you are going to draw a line that will exceeds the value of root 2, and this become a root 3. This is how you are going to represent root 2, root 3, and next come root 5, root 7, like that. The arc will move forwards, and when you are going to measure the length of the starting point to this one, you will get an exact value of root 2. Like that, you are going to measure the length of this one from O or from 0 to this point, you will get the root 3 value. This is how you are going to represent root 2, root 3 and so on. and these are related to your irrational numbers. Then after all these things, the one more is there. I am going to write here rational numbers. You know that? The rational numbers. Okay? You are going to represent in the form of P by Q. Then the last one, real numbers. I am going to represent, I am going to indicate, I am going to denote by a letter called capital R. Then what is this rational number? Rational numbers are the numbers, okay, either it may be a rational or it may be a irrational. Then those numbers we call it as real number. The meaning is that you are going to put in the form of P by Q, or else you can't put in the form of P by Q where Q is not equals to 0. Nothing but the numbers which may satisfy, which may not satisfy the rational and irrational condition, you are going to represent a number, and that we call it as real numbers, and the real numbers are indicated by a letter called capital R. In the next class, we are going to discuss the how we are going to operate, how we are going to solve the numericals based on the real numbers. Thank you.